Are you tired of spending hours managing contracts for your photography business? Do you struggle to keep track of signed and unsigned contracts? Look no further than ShootQ, the ultimate studio management software for professional photographers. We'll be showcasing this feature with a demo and share a real story of how one of our photographers has benefited from using ShootQ. Let's dive into the contracts feature in ShootQ. When you log into your ShootQ account, you'll see settings on the lower left corner of the page. Click on Settings, then navigate to Templates, and then to Contracts to manage your contract templates. On this page, you can see a list of your contracts in alphabetical order, along with the number of times they've been used. You can click on the three dots to the right of any contract for a preview, to edit a template, to duplicate a template, or to archive any of your contract templates. To create a new contract, click on the green New Template button in the top right corner. This will take you to the contract creation page, where you can customize your contract based on your needs, add your terms and conditions, and customize the contract variables to match your business needs. Once you've created your contract, you can send it to your client for electronic signature through a contact record or through a job. ShootQ will keep track of all your signed contracts, so you never have to worry about missing a signed copy. Now, let's take a look at some of the ways that ShootQ can help you improve your contract management process. ShootQ allows you to create an unlimited amount of customizable contract templates, so you can have a different template to meet all of your business needs. In Themes, you can also customize the contract header by adding an image or selecting a color that matches your branding. This feature also allows you to create professional-looking contracts that are in line with your branding style. With ShootQ, you can send contracts to your clients for electronic signatures directly from the platform. This feature eliminates the need for paper contracts and saves you time. You can also track the status of a contract so you know when it's been signed. With the help of a lead workflow, ShootQ can send automated reminders to your clients for unsigned contracts so you never have to chase them down. This feature can help you get all of your contracts signed on time. You can also set the frequency and the content of these reminders so they're tailored to your needs. ShootQ keeps track of the status of all of your contracts so you can see which ones are signed by both parties, sent and awaiting the client's signature, or pending awaiting your signature. This feature makes it easy to keep track of all of your contracts and ensures that you never missed a signed contract. ShootQ integrates with popular payment gateways, so you can accept payments directly through ShootQ. This feature eliminates the need for a separate payment gateway and saves you time. You can also customize the payment terms to match your business needs. With customizable templates, electronic signatures, scheduled reminders, and trackable statuses, ShootQ makes it easy to manage your contracts with ease. Now I'll share the words of a real photographer who has benefited from ShootQ's contracts feature. Lucas Van Dyke says, "I'm a huge fan of ShootQ and consider the day I started using it as life-changing for both my personal life and business. I've integrated it into my photography business to the point that I cut my client email times down from 15 to 20 hours a week to 3 to 4 hours a week. We never lose track of a lead or contract, all while shooting 40 weddings a year." Now, imagine you're a wedding photographer who's tired of manually sending out contracts, tracking down signatures, and managing renewals. ShootQ's contract feature can save you hours of administrative work and help you stay organized. You can easily create and send contracts to your clients, track their statuses, and receive payments directly through the platform. Are you ready to streamline your contract management process and save hours of administrative work? Sign up for ShootQ today and try out the contracts feature for 30 days. With customizable templates, electronic signatures, automated reminders, and trackable statuses, ShootQ is the ultimate studio management software for professional photographers. Visit ShootQ.com/contracts to learn more.